Find the surface area and include units. Now the surface area of a solid is the sum of all the areas that make up the sides of the shape. And so that's the bases and the faces. Now the base of a prism is the two congruent parallel sides. And in this case, that's this triangle here and this triangle back here also. So basically, to find the surface area, we just need to find each individual area and then add them all together. I'm going to do the base area first. This triangle on the front is one of the bases, and the height of the triangle is 5, and the length or the base length of the triangle is 12. And so the area of the triangle is 1/2 base times height. So in this case, you have 1/2 and then 12 inches, and then times 5 inches. So the area is 1/2 times 12, and to make that 12 over 1, which is 6. So it'll be 6 inches, then times 5 inches. And then 6 inches times 5 inches is 30 square inches. So the area of that base of the prism is 30 inches squared. So then that's the base area here. Now the space in the back, you have a measure of 10 and by 7, but those are just side lengths, that's not the height. But the 12 and the 5, since the bases are the same size, applies to this back triangle also. So if the front triangle here, or the front base, is 30 inches squared, then this back triangle is also 30 inches squared. So that means we're going to have another 30 inches squared here. Okay, now let's look at this bottom part. Now the bottom isn't necessarily the base. The bottom in this case is a 12 inches by 8 inches rectangle. So that area is going to be 12 inches times 8 inches, and that is 96 square inches. So far we have 30, 30, and 96. So now we need to find the 7 by 8 rectangle, which is this guy right here. And that is 7 inches times 8 inches, which is 56 square inches. Okay, so that's 4 of the 5 faces or sides. And the last one is this one right here. And this one is 10 inches this way and 8 inches here, the same as this guy. So it's 10 by 8. So 10 inches by 8 inches is 80 square inches. Okay, so that's 5 surfaces. We got them all covered. Now we just need to add, and I'm going to use a calculator for that. You can add by hand if you want to. So we have 30 square inches plus another 30 square inches plus 96 square inches plus 56 square inches plus 80 square inches. So the total is 292 square inches.